In a dense, verdant forest, nestled among ancient oaks and towering pines, there dwelt a cuckoo. This cuckoo was unlike any other, for it possessed a voice that carried far beyond the forest, a voice that was as melodious as it was enigmatic. The forest was a place of harmony, a symphony of sounds that echoed through the trees, the rustling leaves, the gurgling brook, and the chirping birds. Yet, the cuckoo's call was a discordant note, a haunting melody that seemed to pierce the very heart of the forest. The other birds, the melodious ones, felt a sense of unease when they heard the cuckoo's call. It disrupted their harmonious symphony, a dissonant note that seemed to echo their own insecurities. They wondered, who was this cuckoo, and what was its purpose in their idyllic forest? One day, a wise old owl, who had seen many seasons come and go, decided to seek out the cuckoo. He hoped to understand the purpose of its haunting call, and perhaps, bring harmony back to the forest. The owl flew through the dense foliage, his sharp eyes piercing the shadows. He finally found the cuckoo, perched on a branch, its feathers glistening in the sunlight. "Why do you call out in such a way?" asked the owl, his voice wise and measured. The cuckoo looked at the owl, its eyes gleaming with a strange wisdom. "I call out," it said, "to remind both the birds and the trees that even in the heart of harmony, there is room for change. For only by embracing the discordant can true harmony be achieved." The owl pondered this for a moment, then nodded. He returned to the forest, his heart filled with a new understanding. He shared this wisdom with the other birds, and slowly, the forest began to change. The cuckoo's call was no longer a dissonant note, but a reminder of change, a call to embrace the new and the different. And in doing so, the forest found a new harmony, a harmony that was richer, more vibrant, and more beautiful than ever before. And so, the cuckoo continued to call, a beacon of change in a world that so often clings to the familiar. Its call was a reminder that even in the face of the unknown, there is beauty to be found, and harmony to be cherished.